So we study theoretically what is backup and restore. Now we will see how we can take backup and Cisco ISE. So as I told you, we need to go to administration, system, backup and restore, and we need to choose which type of backup you want to take. One is configurational and the other one is operational. Okay, so let's go there. I'm already here, administration, system, backup and restore. So first I will take configuration, data backup, and what you need to just need to click backup, this backup. Now here give them a name. Okay, so let's see what is today. This is suppose I say, it's up to you which name you want to give. Suppose I say July 2021. This just the name. Okay, July 2021. This the name which I give, and because this is configuration backup, so I will put config as well, so that I can distinguish which type of backup this one is. Okay, then a repository name. We already create repository with FTP repo. I told you it's require FTP, either whatever repository. Then encryption key. Encryption key means to whenever you want to import this backup, it will ask you the same key. So let me put a key A B C. Let me put at the rate. It will not accept at the rate sign. You know the so let me put that one, A B C at the rate 1 2 3 4 5, and let me re-enter the same encryption key. So A B C at the rate 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, and when I click backup, so it will give me an error related to encryption key. So encryption key has to be minimum 8 character, and special character are not allowed, like at the rate is not allowed, by the way. So let's see, I just want to show you. So you can see they say encryption key must satisfy the following criteria: contain at least one uppercase, so I put A in uppercase. Then contain at least one lowercase, so I already put BC. And contain at least one digit, so I already put 1 2 3 4 5. And then they say contain only A to Z and this one. Okay, so there is no special sign, special character, and it has to be at least 8 character, and must not contain Cisco, and must not begin with hash sign. So if your password start from hash, so it will not accept, and that's why I put special character. So let me change my password encryption key and put them something else, like ABC, and let me put admin ABC1. So this time I type admin ABC1, and I need to repeat the same here. I need to re-enter encryption key. So let me remove this one. Okay, it's a bit slow, you know, sometime when you are taking backup, so it's very slow. So let me delete this one, and I just want to put admin ABC1. This time my encryption key is okay. And also you can see here it's a internal CA certificate store is not in this backup. It is recommended to export using application config ISE. This is the CLI command to take CA certificate backup. So they already gave me this warning, and we already know. So they provide this information as well. And you just need to click backup now. This time it's okay. The name is backup now. We already know FTP repo is nothing but my server. Okay, this is my Windows server where we configure FTP. So let me go to my FTP directory, this one, and here it will take the backup. This is the June backup. This time I say July. Okay, this is the previous one. So I don't need this one. Let me remove the key as well. And by the way, let's delete this one as well. We don't need. So only test file is there, and we want to take backup in this FTP repo. Okay, so the backup started. It's a configuration data backup, and it's 10% done. And if you want to cancel them, you can click on stop, but we want to take backup, configuration backup. Next one is done. The same way we can take operational data backup, and it will show here like this way. It's showing now here. It's a configurational backup detail. This is the name which we give them, backup name, July 2021 config, and we are using FTP repo, which is our Windows server, and this is the date and time, and also the status is backup is in progress, and it's not schedule based, and through graphical user interface, and this is our ISE node, okay, which we are using to take backup. So let's go to secure CRT. Let me take SSH to my this device. So let me go to quick connect, and our ISE IP is 192.168.100.210, and admin is the username. Password is abc@12345. So I'm going to log in my Cisco ISE 192.168.100.210. Okay, I think I put wrong password, so abc@12345. So let me log in to Cisco ISE. Yes, I'm logging now, and here you can type show backup status. This is the command to check. It's a backup name is July, the same thing which through graphical user interface here, which I show you here. The same thing you can verify through CLI, and it's a in progress, only 20% done. But they say that operation backup status, no data found, because you are taking only right now we are taking configuration backup. That's why it's showing me configuration backup detail. Okay, so you can see here the same thing can be verified through this command. Another command which is important is show restore. Right now we are not taking any restore, but show restore status, so it will show you restore. And third command is backup history, show backup history. So right now it's showing me the same one. Okay, this the okay, it's showing me the previous one, and they say that we use FTP repo and we take this backup, because last time I take this backup, so it's showing me that one. The same thing, show restore history, which we will check in restore, but right now we are taking backup. So these are the 4 commands for backup and restore. Show backup status. So right now it's 20% done, so we need to wait for a while. So when it's done, let's see now, it will take maybe around 5 to 6 minutes more to complete this backup. So it's 20%. Normally it's stuck on 20%, but it's okay. After a while it will take complete backup your Cisco ISE configuration data backup. Okay, so let's wait for a while. Okay, so the backup is done. It's take almost 5 to 6 minutes. It's depend on your backup and also on your requirement, because I'm using virtually from here to here to take the backup, so it can be slow, but in your case it can be fast, and maybe it can take more time. So configuration data backup, now you can see the detail here. So let's go to CLI. If you type show backup status, let me clear Control L and show backup status. So now it say that it's successful, and here is the backup. Okay, and also we can go to directory. So it's July, here is the backup. They put these extra detail, but this is our name which we gave them, July 2021. So the backup is done successfully, and let's take the backup operational data backup, it will show up here when it's done. So the same way, just backup now, and this time I will say July, but backup should be this time OPT something, like, so that I know this operational backup. So let me, this one OPT operation, and key I already told you. So admin ABC1, admin ABC1, A is in uppercase, and backup now. Okay, so as I told you, operational data backup means your report, your troubleshoot, and all those details coming under operational data backup, as we discuss here. If you go there, so I told you monitoring and troubleshooting data coming under operational backup. Okay, so again it started and it will take some time. And how we can verify from CLI, show backup status, and this time you can see operation backup status, and it's in progress, 0% done. Okay, so it will start now and it will show you backup, and backup is in progress. Okay, and this one is done already, which we done. So let's wait for a while and we will come back. It will take maybe 1 to 2 minutes. Okay, so it's done. It take only 2 to 3 minutes. So now you can see operational backup detail, July, this one, and OPT. Okay, and so we take both the backup, and let's go to CLI. So you can use show backup status, and here you can see operation backup status and configuration backup status, and you can go there to check. So here you can see OPT and configuration, so both backup are done. Third thing is schedule backup. You can do schedule this on demand base. Whenever you want, you can take the backup. So configuration the backup, you can click on schedule and give them any name. Suppose July configuration schedule, whatever. You can type description. Repo is this one, again the key. So admin ABC1 and admin ABC1. Okay, and it's, you want to take frequency, one time daily, as I told you, weekly, and you can take on a monthly basis. Suppose on weekly basis you can give them a weekend, because nobody is using this one on weekend. So you can type suppose Saturday, and this the start time and this the end time you can give them. And when you click save, so it will take backup weekly, frequency is weekly, monthly, daily, and this start end time, and execute as 12 AM. You can type the time whatever you like, and you can enable it. So it enable, sorry, it's disable them. And the same thing you can do with operational data backup schedule, and type here suppose OPT, and here you can type schedule whatever. Same approach, admin ABC1, admin ABC1, and this time we will say daily basis 12 AM. This the time, you can change the time whatever you like. Okay, start time and end time, and save. Okay, so now it's also enable, and this the time. So it will start to take backup configuration data backup on weekly basis 12 AM. Okay, start and end time, this the date. Okay, and this one. So this the way to take a backup in Cisco ISE. Okay, and then we verify as well from CLI and also from GUI, you can see here. Okay, that's it.